Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. However, in most African countries, we find it very difficult to promote affiliate links from the US, UK, and other foreign countries. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Jumia affiliate marketing for beginners. Make sure to watch this video till the end because in this video, I will show you step by step on how to register Jumia KOL affiliate program, promote your affiliate links, and start making money online. You don't need to be an expert to start making money online because this video will help you to make your first 100 cedis online in Ghana. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new here because on this channel, we talk about how to make money online and cryptocurrency. Let's dive into the video. So to get started with Jumia affiliate marketing, we need to know what affiliate marketing is, how to register Jumia KOL affiliate marketing, and I'll show you how to get Jumia affiliate code to promote. Then I'll show you how to promote your Jumia affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting a company's product or services in exchange for a commission when a sale is made through the links they've provided to you. So Jumia has an affiliate program called Jumia KOL, and I'm going to show you how to register Jumia KOL. This is how affiliate program works. You need to get a code or link from the affiliate program, then put it on social media, blog, websites, or any medium that you want to promote. Then when a customer clicks on the link they've provided, the customer is sent to Jumia store to get the tracking link. So when a customer clicks on the link Jumia has provided to you, Jumia records the purchase that the customer has made. Then the customer is sent to Jumia through a tracking link. When the customer makes an amount like 100 cedis, Jumia is going to give you a commission, a percentage of commission on the product that the person purchased. Then after that, the transaction is credited. Then you get paid into your Jumia KOL dashboard. So let me show you how to register on Jumia KOL. I'll put the link in the description below. So who is Jumia KOL for? So Jumia KOL is for micro influencers or creators. Let's say you create videos. Then mega influencers, I mean influencers with over 500,000 followers on social media platforms. Then an affiliate is someone who has a blog or a website or a social media page where you can just share your links or tips to your audience. This is how Jumia works. As I showed you, you register, you advertise your product, then you start earning. So let's go and start. Click on join now to get started. So this is just a very simple form to register on Jumia affiliate program. So what you need to do is to provide your first name and your last name. Then you provide your email address and your password. Then you select the country that you are from. Jumia is in most of the African countries. So I am in Ghana. I will select Ghana. Then I'll provide my phone number here. So when I selected Ghana, you can see the creator or micro influencer is being faded, meaning that you need to be a mega influencer or an affiliate to promote. So you select one of these, but I think when you are in Nigeria, you will be able to select this. So select any of them. It doesn't really matter. It's not really important, but you can select what you want. I am an affiliate, and what I do is after you selected your category or your account type, you provide your website or your social media link where you're going to promote your links. So after you are done, what you do is you click on agree, then you click on register. So I already have Jumia KOL account. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on login to login. So it's a very simple platform where you can just register and start earning money right on Jumia KOL. So we are done registering Jumia KOL. So what we need to do now is to show you how to get your links. So when you want to get your links, but before we get our links, I would like to show you the commission percentages on each of the product categories. So let's go to support. Then go to commission model. So under the commission model, you see a lot of countries. So if you are in Egypt, if you are in any African country, Nigeria, Kenya, or any of these African countries, you can look for your country and get the commission percentages. So you can see here that I am getting 11% on men's clothing, men accessories 11%, down to the list, which is the miscellaneous. So you can read the commission model here to get more understanding to it. If you have any questions, I think you can also contact them directly or check the FAQs to get more knowledge on questions that people have already asked. So when we go under reports, you can see the conversions here. You will be able to see all the conversions that you've made within the month or a specific date that you want to filter. So you can filter here. You click on filter to filter your dates, the commissions that you've made. So let me show you how to get your links and get started with your promotion. So go to advertising and go to offers. So under the offers, you're going to see Jumia e-commerce here. When you click on it, then you select the country that you are from. I'll select Ghana. So this is a general categories that you want to promote. So for example, if I want to promote more of Jumia deal of the day, when I go to Jumia website, you can see over here we have deal of the day, which is usually here, top deals. You can see the deals. When you go to Jumia KOL and you click on deal of the day, you are going to get your link here. So this is your generated link here where you can promote, you can copy and put it on your social media pages. So you can see we have the banner here. And this is the banner size. You can always change the banner size to any banner size that you want. You can change the banner size to any of these banner sizes that are available. So when I click on 375 by 250, it changes the size to fit the 375 by 250. So if you want to download the image, you can directly download the image by clicking here. So I can promote it on Facebook or Instagram. And what I need to do is to go get my link here, copy the link here, then paste the link under the image that I have posted on Facebook or any of the social media pages. And if you don't want to download the code and you want to get the HTML script, you can use the banner code here and it will bring the image and the link directly onto your website. So anybody clicks on the image to redirect them straight to Jumia's website using your link. So I don't usually like using the categories, which is fine. You can use it, but I feel I am always limited to images. So what I usually do is when I'm promoting a link, what I do is I use the custom links instead of the offers. So with the custom links, I'll click on Jumia e-commerce. Then I'll select my country. So you can see you have the spaces in here. What you need to do is you need to go to Jumia website. Let's say if I want to promote TVs, I'll go to the TV category. Or let's say if I want to promote Samsung Galaxy A03, what I'll do is I'll click on Samsung Galaxy A03. Then I'll copy the link. Then you go back to Jumia KOL and you paste the link here. So this is going to generate your Jumia KOL affiliates link for you. So you can select any sub affiliate ID. So that's an ID to distinguish other platforms or places you want to promote. Then the channel, let's say you want to promote on YouTube. So let me use Pickens Hub as my ID. So you can see my link has been generated. When I try to push it to the list here, you will see that over here I have Pickens Hub on it. That is the sub affiliate ID, which I'm going to be able to learn where people are using my affiliate links, or I'll be able to know which medium they are using. Then I can also put the channel, meaning let's say if I am promoting it on YouTube, I can also write YouTube here and it will add the YouTube to the end of the link that is provided to you. So you can see I have my sub affiliate link here and the medium that I am promoting. So I can also remove it and just leave the medium that I am promoting, and that will be perfect. So you can see it's only on YouTube. So it's important sometimes to add the channel to it to distinguish where you are promoting your affiliate links. So after I get my link, click on copy, then you can go to shorten my URL. So you can see the URL is very long. It might not be very comfortable. If you are promoting this on Facebook or any of these social media networks, it won't be nice to promote this long URL. People might think it's a scam. So what you need to do is to shorten the URL. So you click on shorten, then it will give you a very short URL. So you're going to use this URL to promote on your social media links or even on your website. So this is how you generate your affiliate links on Jumia KOL. So if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button to help this video get to more people and also to help in the YouTube algorithm. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So if you're looking to promote your affiliate links, so these are the ways that you can promote your affiliate links. Number one is through blogging. So people are always searching for a particular product. So you can see when I search for NASCO 32, I can see NASCO 32 inches price. NASCO 32 inches price in Ghana. So when I click on this, this is ranking on the first page of Google. So you can see someone is promoting on the website. So let's go down here and show you this website, which is a blog website. So when you click on this, so you can see that this website is talking about NASCO televisions and they are ranking on the first page of Google. People are always looking for reviews and suggestions. So you can see here, this person is trying to talk about the prices of NASCO TVs. Let's see whether he has links to any affiliate program. So you can see here that this person is writing more about NASCO TVs but has no affiliate program. Okay, so you can see he's linking to Jumia. He hasn't linked to a Jumia affiliate program. So if he knows he can make money from Jumia affiliate, I think he's going to change all these links into Jumia KOL. So if you are the owner of this website, ghadmissionsforms.com, I think you are missing a lot from Jumia KOL. You need to change all this, get your Jumia KOL links and fix them here to start generating money. So this is how you can promote your links by recommending products on your blog for people to buy through your links on your website. So if you want to learn how to create a blog and make money online, make sure to check the link in the description below to learn how to create a blog and make money online with your Jumia KOL affiliate program. So another way to promote your Jumia affiliate links is through Facebook groups. So you can go to Facebook and search for buy and sell, then your country name. So you can see I've written buy and sell Ghana. So what you can do is to join these groups. So you join this, then you join most of them. So you can see most of the groups are public groups. You can just join and you can start posting your affiliate links on the platform. So you can see people are posting their links in here. So you can see people are selling TVs here. So if I join the group, what I can do is I can just click on the write a post, and I will paste the link here. So when I paste this link, it's going to generate the Jumia affiliate link for me. And what I can do is I can click on post. Because I haven't joined, I'm not going to post it, but you need to read their rules and regulation before you post. So after you've done this, you can click on this post. So you can join a lot of these groups and start posting your affiliate links in the groups, and you'll be surprised people will start buying from your affiliate links on these groups. So another way to promote your affiliate links is through paid ads, using Facebook and Google ads to promote your links. Another way to promote your affiliate links is using TikTok. So you can create videos about the product that you want to promote, and you can create a Linktree account. So you can put your Linktree link under your bio, where whenever people want to buy, after viewing your video, they can check the link in your TikTok bio, and when they click on it and takes them to Jumia to buy, you make a sale from it. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if you're looking to learn more about how to make money online, then make sure to watch the videos at the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.